Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did the full glow up on a budget £20 thing. Basically, there's been this thing going around YouTube, you guys have probably seen it, where people just sort of do like glow up with like tans and nails and like hair and everything. I didn't do like the tan and nails. Mine's basically just my makeup, if I'm being honest with you guys. Like obviously I do a fake tan on, but that was just there already. But I did it all for £20, like my full face for £20. So if you want to see how I went from A to B for £20, just keep on watching because that's what today's video is. I went to Superdrug to buy all this stuff, not sponsored, but yeah, I went to Superdrug to buy all this stuff because I thought it'd be like the cheapest way to get it. So I'll insert the clips of me going to Superdrug after this. But yeah, if you're excited for this video, remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you are new here, turn on my post notification bell as well, that way you don't miss any of my uploads. And without further ado, if you want to see how to get a full beat glam for £20, like I kid you not, £20, just keep on watching. Hey guys, basically what I'm going to be doing today is I'm about to go into town. Julie's going to drive me, she's going to make a cheeky appearance. Yeah, it's all fun seeing these glow up videos, people going from X to Y, A to Z,
whatever you want to call it.
You know, some of us don't have 10 grand to spend on it. This is me, £20 budget, going and buying the stuff that I need to go from ugly to less ugly. Let's go. Guys, everyone coming at me for my feeler shoes, calling those dinosaur stompers. Look at these bad boys. I kind of rate them though, they're fit. Kind of like this makeup at the moment. Julie, do you like my makeup? She makes me walk through a muddy park with white shoes on. Look at this. What a liberty, man. Okay guys, sorry for the lighting. I really can't help it, and there's rain on my camera again. I hope they let filming in here. I'll try to be low-key about it. It is so loud, oh my god. Guys, this wind is so strong. I'm supposed to be going over there and it keeps blowing me in the wrong direction. And I don't think you understand, right? Where we had to go is over there. And the rain's getting on my camera. And I feel like I'm literal Bear Grylls right now, hiking through like some mountain somewhere. Like, it's horrible. Ah, the rain. This is horrible. Yeah, so I ended up spending £25, well not £25, £24, which is a little bit like over budget, but like makeup in England's gotten more expensive recently because the pound's gone to shit. So like it's kind of £20 if you go back to like 2 years ago. I feel like I still kind of did it. I'll show you guys what I got. I couldn't vlog in there because there was this woman literally just staring at me, just standing by the makeup thing. Like she worked there, but she was just like, she didn't like say hi, she didn't be like, do you need any help with anything? She was just stood there, like the whole time, just stood there. And I was like, it. Everything was so much more expensive than I thought it would be. Like I managed to find some stuff that was like reasonably priced. I'll show you guys what I got. This like bronzer highlighter palette, which I thought could be used as like eyeshadow as well. Mascara that was the cheapest one I could find. It was like £2 or something. This foundation was actually the cheapest one I could find, but I actually have this and it's so good. It's the Makeup Revolution one. It was only like £5, which is like so good because it was so cheap. And then I also got the Makeup Revolution concealer, which was like £4 or something. I got this brow thing, which was £3.
If you did makeup like me, you just need mascara and blush.
Then I got powder. I feel like this could mess it all up because if this is flashback, I'm gonna cry. I also got this lip thing. Once again, the cheapest lip thing I could find. I got this eyeliner because once again, the cheapest eyeliner I could find. This was £1 and that was like £2 or something. That's what I got. I thought e.l.f. would be a lot cheaper than it was. My plan of actually go to Collection, e.l.f. and Revolution because I knew those were gonna be cheaper than like L'Oreal and Maybelline and stuff. What I got, so we'll see what I can make out of this. Yeah, as I said in the intro, today I'm gonna be doing like a full glow up on a budget. Basically, I went to Superdrug and bought a full face for £20. It's not like a full glow up, so not like hair extensions and like fake tan and everything like that. But I feel like if you wear fake tan, like I'm wearing fake tan right now, it's like something that you will have at home anyway. Like if you like fake tan, you'll have it at home. I also didn't manage to get lashes. I went to Superdrug and spent, I think it was £24, so it was slightly over budget.
But that was hard. That was so hard.
I tried to get a full face, but like I really don't know, but like we're gonna try and go with it. I find it really hard to color match myself in like Superdrugs and stuff because all the things are in the wrong place. This is the Makeup Revolution stick. Yeah, this is in the shade F10. This is actually really good. I actually have this foundation at home anyway. This was only like £5. They had brands like Revolution and Collection and e.l.f. Those are the brands that I was like, yeah, those will be the cheapest for me to get. Yeah, I didn't get primer because that
Definitely was not on my budget.
I've heard a lot of people compare this to the Makeup Forever one, but this is definitely not as glowy as the Makeup Forever one. It's more matte. I'm gonna go in with concealer now, and I also got the Makeup Revolution concealer because this was like £3 or something, and Makeup Revolution is actually really good for the price of everything. I'm gonna apply that under my eyes. This is way too light. This is in the shade C6.5. How is this 6.5? Yeah, no, I went to Collection, e.l.f. and Revolution because I was like, those are gonna be the cheapest ones out of everything there. And e.l.f. was so much more expensive than I thought it would be. Like, not saying it's expensive, it was like, but it was like £5 for a concealer. And I was like, if you think about that, that is literal a quarter of my budget gone. So I was like,
that's not happening.
I guess I did spend that on foundation. Okay, that's not that bad. Okay, we can work with that. Now this is what I'm scared for. I got this collection powder, which was, I don't have the receipt with me, but I'll find it out for you guys. It was something like £3 probably.
Ow.
This is just the collection sheer loose powder in the shade translucent. So it's supposed to be translucent. I don't know if it's gonna give me flashback. It doesn't look like one of those HD powders that will, but it might do.
Oh, I don't like the smell of this.
It smells like old ladies. Not that there's anything wrong with the smell of old ladies, just like I don't really like myself smelling like old ladies.
Personal thing.
Oh, it really does smell like old ladies. This must be what they're using, this collection powder. I don't like the packaging of these things either. It's really hard to open. I never really use collection products. I used their concealer, their whatever lasting perfection concealer or whatever. I don't rate it that much though, to be fair. Like, it's not something that I would go out and be like, you know what I'm gonna buy? The collection concealer. Okay, so what I decided I was gonna use for eyeshadow. Do you want to open? This actually won't open. This is my issue with these products, is that I can never ever get them to open. If you were getting ready in a hurry and you had to open one of these products, you just wouldn't leave the house.
Because this is driving me round the bend now.
Come on, just open up. This is stupid now.
This is really stupid now. Come on.
Finally, here now. I'm just gonna take a Zoeva Luxe Petite Crease Brush, and I bought this blush palette or whatever. This is the Ultra Professional Blush Palette in the shade Golden Sugar. I'm gonna go in with the bronzer shade and I'm gonna put that through my crease. Oh, that's pigmented. This was £6, by the way, guys. The eyeshadow palettes were actually cheaper than this, but I wanted to get this so I could use it for like my whole face. I feel like, yeah, you can use eyeshadow as like highlight and stuff, but when you try and use it as like bronzer, sometimes the undertones aren't really that good. And there goes the aeroplane. Well, I can tell the audio in this video is gonna be fun. I rate that through the crease. That's a pretty crease shade. And then I'm gonna take this shade onto my eyelid, this one right here. So that's the eyeshadow done because that's literally all I can do with this. And then I'm gonna go in with this MUA. Oh
God, I'm not gonna be able to open this, am I?
How do people open these products when they buy them? I literally, like, I get stuff from the drugstore all the freaking time. They normally have that little edge which is like serrated so you can just peel it really easily. These ones don't. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this eyeliner, kind of like apply it like on the outer corner. Oh, also this was £1. This is the MUA Intense Color Eyeliner. Yeah, I can tell this was £1. It's not soft. That's what she said. I need to curl my lashes. My lash curler's upstairs though, can I be asked? This is the MUA Eye Define Lengthening Mascara, so let's just go with this. Also, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some lashes on the outer corner, but I'm not including it in the price. It's this little like life hack that I'm gonna share with you guys. Get an old pair of lashes that you just have lying around, and then cut off the outer corner and stick it onto the outer corner of your eye. And I feel like lashes is one of those things that like if you wear lashes and you like lashes, you just will have them lying around. It's supposed to be lengthening, and I'm getting no length and just clumpiness. Can you guys see this? Okay, I'm gonna quickly go ahead and stick those lashes on off camera and then I'll be back with you guys. See, this packaging is better. I love how I'm like critiquing the packaging when I'm paying like £5. I am gonna use this e.l.f. brow pencil. I think this is in the shade like medium brown or something. I wanna see how this goes. I like this brow pencil a lot actually. Wow, I rate that. Okay, I see you. Trying to film when your whole family is at home ain't the one, sis.
Shush!
I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my face now. I'm gonna use that bronze shade that I used through my crease. I'm going in with like the dark shimmery bronzer. Oh, that is very orangey. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight now. Can I just say, like, I think this brush is more expensive than like my limit of actual makeup products. Like,
Let's deep that.
I'm just mixing together a few of the highlight shades in this palette. I don't really know. It's creating like lines on my face as well, but oh well. We'll go with it. I really just want to spray my face and like this would look fine, but we can't do that. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the bronzer. Okay, now for lips, what did I get? For lips, I got this Collection Velvet Kiss Moisturizing Lip Cream in the shade 8, which is Dreamboat. Oh, that's very pink. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair and be back with you guys. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. This is a final look. Did this all for £20 basically. Yeah, I actually really like the way that it's turned out. Like, I think this looks good for like just any makeup in general, like let alone for being literally worth like 20 quid. It works, queenie. I think this sort of proves that like you don't need to spend a whole lot of money on your makeup. This is, hang on, let me just itch my nose. This is what it turned out like, and I'm actually really, really happy with it. Let me know how you guys think I did in the comments down below. But anyway, that's it for today's video, and I really hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you are new here, turn on the post notification bell as well. That way you don't miss any of my uploads. And if you want to see me on any of my other social medias, feel free to follow me in the description box. With that all out of the way, that's it for today's video, and I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.